In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product.
Looking for an effective way to burn calories and get in better shape but don't have much room? The XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike is the perfect exercise tool to help you comfortably pedal away the calories. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB150 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance, while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort, the FB150 provides a large anatomically designed thick padded seat and large multi-grip padded handlebars. With folded dimensions under 17 inches by 18 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start the journey towards achieving your fitness goals today with the XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike.
Now, let's see the features of this great product. And these are editor rating for this product.